Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, saya Arfira Agustin dari kelas 96. Di sini saya ingin menyanyikan lagu First Love. Everyone can see the joy in me. Till I say I'm going to say, kid I used to be. Don't go out and play. I just dream out there. They don't know what's wrong with me, and I'm too sad to say it's my first love. When I'm dreaming out, when I go to bed, when I lay my head upon my pillow, don't know what to do. My first love, hurting young too young to never know. Wish I could tell him what I'm feeling, 'cause I'm feeling my first